Here comes two. Man, I really hope you guys get to see some of this footage. They got two in one shot. We are having a blast out here. Wish you could be with us. What's up, everybody? We're setting up for another dove hunt. Last time we came out here, we shot so many shells that I ran out. So we got 26 last time. Hoping that we have similar results today. So we're gonna get everything set up. We got the mojo and some doves over here, and then we're gonna hide these trucks and get set in. Wait for the doves to come. Here's our flappy attractors. Here's our peeps over here. I see a pigeon over there just land on that silo. That'll work. If he comes over, I'm taking him too. You know? Yeah. What do you think, Brooklyn? You ready for this again? Brooklyn came with us last time. You came with us last time, didn't you? Yep. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna load up. Get ready. Shoot it! Shoot it! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh man! Oh man! All right, that's it. Oh no! Here he comes! Here he comes! Stop! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Get down! Oh! All right, Dad. I'm gonna let you go. Come on, Phil. Come on with it. No, there was a dove for real.
No, that's for real.
Yeah, we're like shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it.
Well, we're waiting for Leonard to take the first shot.
Oh man. That was like right down the pipe.
Alright, because like that would have been probably your shot all day long.
Yeah, that was.
We're facing the wood pile? Huh? We're facing the wood pile?
Dude, they're gonna come right past you and then you're gonna pull up and start.
Well, how do we watch that way?
I'm watching this way right here. Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. You alright? Yeah. You need a plug?
Yeah.
You got one?
No.
As soon as he flinches, pull it. Trigger. Philip, he's bringing it to you.
Hey, right here. Hey, bring it here. Hey, Buster, bring it here. Bring it here. Bring it here. Okay,
Something's flying right here. Got that one.
Man, he faked dead, didn't he?
Oh yeah. You shot and he said, you know.
I think there's a dead one up there somewhere. Oh yeah? I'm pretty sure that one went down. No, you can leave it there. I don't know. It looked like it was soaring down. Like I don't know if it was hit. The second one? The first one that we shot at here, over here. Okay. Yeah.
I thought it looked winged on the left wing.
We'll run him around later. Yeah. I'm glad he was here for that one. I don't think was that a struggle, or did he find it? No, he found it. I don't think I would have found it. Was it in the beans? It was in that tall grass stuff. Brookie, come sit, babe. Thank you.
We had two fly kind of close, but behind us here.
I don't think I led that second one long enough. Yeah.
What time is sunset?
Today, the
7:37.
Seriously?
I'm not joking.
What's going on here?
I don't know. That's what I'm saying. We should be slaying right now.
How many have we seen so far? About 10?
Yeah. I haven't even killed one yet. Last time I killed like 11 or 12. What are you doing over here, Farmer Joe?
Whole bunch of birds. They are just regular birds.
No, those are dove, right? Found him! Is that the one from the beginning?
No, just shot that one.
Okay. Man, that was pretty cool little live action bout there.
Yeah. It took me 3 shots to catch up to this.
I saw that. I shot this one. First one.
Oh, did he go down?
Yeah, I got there was 2 coming around, and I shot one, and he landed right there, and then you shot the other one.
Oh, okay.
Because you said not to shoot the one in the front.
Right. Well, they split up, so I can't.
Nice.
I think
Yeah.
we stay over here. How much ammo you got?
He got
Defeat both of us?
Half a box.
half a box.
Alright, I think we spread out. I think.
Here comes 3. Where'd that? Hey, I was going to tell you I was going to go up on the hill to get that one you killed. What?
Okay. You want me to send Buster out?
I need Buster. I just dropped one over here and I'm not sure where it landed.
Alright, I'm gonna send him out.
Okay.
You holler for him.
Okay.
Buster. Buster. Call for him.
Buster here. Right here, Buster. Buster, Buster, Buster. Where you at, buddy? Right here. Dead bird. Find him up. Buster, here. Right here, right here, right here. Come here, buddy. Buster, come. Sit. Sit. Right here. Dead bird. Buster. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here. Buster. Dead. Come on, Buster. Can you still hear me? Can you hear me? Hey. He got him. There's another one. There's another one coming right over you. Coming right over you. Coming right over you. I'm going on top of the hill to get this bird. I'm up on top of the hill. I see all the feathers where this bird went down, but I don't see a bird. It's the one of them that you guys dropped from over there. That's what I'm saying, but I'm right here where I saw it fall. And literally there's you don't understand what I'm working with here. Like, this is the spot, and there's Buster. Good boy. Good boy, Buster. Coming at you, Leonard! Coming at you, Chuck! I dropped 2.
I think I hit 1.
Leonard, Leonard.
Over your head. Coming up behind you, dude.
Dang. Chuck! Leonard! Phil got him. And Phil, I've got 2 dead over here too. Here comes 2. Man, I really hope you guys get to see some of this footage. Good boy, Buster. Get him. That's what I was saying. I hope you guys get to see some of this. Good boy. Right here. Fetch him here. Bring him here. Bring him here. Good boy. Buster. Dead bird. Dead bird. Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, and then 2 birds came flying in at me, so I had to take a shot. I don't know how much of these birds you guys are actually seeing since it's all GoPro footage, but dude, this is another awesome dove hunt, and I'll try and put together whatever I can for you guys. But we are having a blast out here. Wish you could be with us. Come on over here, dovies, and play. Any idea what we're up to now? Any idea what we're up to?
It's not much. It might be like 10.
I feel like there's 10 over by Chuck's feet.
Oh, has he been slaying them over there? 4 over here.
4 over here. I got 1 or 2 in my pouch.
I think I have 3 in my pouch. 4 laying down here.
I just heard one go. I don't know, maybe it's in my head.
That one up on the pile that you shot, he was still alive.
Was he? That's how.
He wasn't going nowhere.
That's how that one was over there. That's why I couldn't find it, because I found the spot where it went down. I saw all the feathers. But Phil, right behind you, Phil, get him. 2 with 1 shot.
I shot twice for no reason.
They got 2 with 1 shot. And the camera was rolling. Phil just shot 2 with 1 shot. Yeah, that just happened. Yeah, they did. Leonard, get him. Oh, I couldn't shoot from the tractor. Guys, get ready. Oh, there they go. Hold on, wait for them. Yes, they are. Get ready, Phil. Get ready, Chuck.
Here they come.
You kidding me? Ready, Phil. I'll take the left when you take the right one. Leonard, he's coming to you!
No way. No way that can happen.
I know, right? Oh, he got him! Oh, he got him! Look at all them feathers.
The only one that I
So we're going to pick up shells, empty hulls, and we're gonna count up birds. I'll get you guys a picture of that and see how many we got. I don't even know the total. I know we don't have a 4-man limit, but I know things started picking up there towards the end of shooting light. So we'll get these empties picked up the best we can to try and keep them out of the field and out of the farmer's way, and then show you what we got for birds.
have a tan bag that those go in.
Load up.
It's one in there.
One went in there, but we can't find him.
That's the one you seen that one go in, didn't you, bro?
Yeah, because if you feel
Well, so body's on the tailgate. It's probably getting pretty dark. Let me get a flashlight out here for you. We've got 20. All right, we've got 23 on the tailgate. I'm sorry, on the dog box. And then over here, where these guys are looking, one went in this big old pile and we can't find it. And the dog can't get in there deep enough to pick it up. So we got 23, and then we're thinking there might be one more in the field that Phil and Buster are over there, and they're trying to get it now. So we have had an absolute blast. And it was a little slow at first, but then things started to pick up towards the end of shooting light.
hold that bag.
Yes, you can. So between Chuck and Buster, they went up into the pile and got the bird that I was telling you about. So we got a total of 24. And
Pop, are you almost done?
I'm going to get off the camera here and help these guys start cleaning birds.
Alright, you ready to see the second option one?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll talk at you tomorrow. Go back.
I just love this stuff. Always remember, stay on red alert, keep your eyes peeled. We'll catch you on the next one.